Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting inside Minecraft Mobile. Open the in-game pause menu and go straight to Settings. Once there, tap Accessibility so you can change audio aids. You need to find the screen reader or narrator entry. It's grouped with other spoken and visual aids. Turn your attention to that toggle now. You're preparing to stop spoken feedback so touch controls and menus stop interrupting gameplay. Make sure you can still see the options before switching anything off. Now tap the screen reader or narrator toggle to switch it off. This disables automated spoken descriptions. If the game asks you to confirm, accept the change so it applies immediately. Once done, navigate a few menus to test whether text stays silent. Use a quick button press or open inventory to verify. If UI sounds still play, note them. Those are audio feedback, not the reader. This step ends the core change. Next we finish and troubleshoot. Finish by returning to gameplay and checking that no narration occurs. If speech persists, close and restart Minecraft Mobile. A restart applies setting changes reliably. Make sure your device-level accessibility settings don't re-enable a system narrator. Disable those if needed. If you can't find the toggle, update the game or reinstall because UI layouts change between versions. Quick troubleshooting. Reboot the phone after adjustment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.